Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, reported a 1.7% increase in Jamaica's total value added at constant prices in the fourth quarter of 2023 compared to the quarter of 2022. This resulted from growth in both the services and goods producing industries. The services industries grew by 2%, while the goods producing industries grew by 0.8%. Jamaica is crafting a new tourism strategy. The government has received support from the Inter-American Development Bank, IDB, to help craft a sustainable way forward for the country's highest foreign exchange earner. Consultations have been taking place across the island. The move is significant for the IDB as it highlights the bank's dedication to crafting a resilient and forward-thinking sustainable plan for Jamaica with tangible improvement to lives. Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett said the new direction will take Jamaica into the evolving future of tourism. During trading on April 9, 2024, the top three advancing stocks covered the finance, transportation, and energy sectors on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. First Rock Capital Holdings Limited JMD shares advanced by 23.13% for a $1.86 price increase to close at $9.90 with 50 shares traded. Knutsford Express Services Limited shares advanced by 17.62% for a $1.78 upward movement to close at $11.88 with 7,262 shares traded. MP Caribbean Clean Energy Limited US dollar shares advanced by 14.81% for 8 cents, slight improvement to close at 62 cents with 15 shares traded. On the declining stocks that traders experienced on April 9, 2024, the top three losers covered the investment, microfinance, and food distribution sectors. QWI Investments Limited declined by 11.39% for a 9 cents price decline to close at 70 cents with 880,565 shares traded. Access Financial Services Limited declined by 9.38% for a $2.05 drop in price to close at $19.81 with 50,337 shares traded. Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances Limited declined by 7.65% for a 13-cent price slippage to close at $1.57 with 32,003 shares traded. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on April 9, 2024, registered a volume of 200,499 shares crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at TT $4,359,884. Massey Holdings Limited was the volume leader with 67,880 shares changing hands for a value of $297,101.05 Trinidad and Tobago dollars, followed by Grace Kennedy Limited with a volume of 37,000 shares being traded for $150,590 Trinidad and Tobago dollars. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On April 9, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $77.9 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $66.2 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $155.74 and bought US dollars for $154.10. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.64, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $1.43 from transactions at the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $114.88 and bought for $113.45. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $6.16, selling it for $196.57 and buying it for $190.41. For our credit report tip of the day, we encourage you to manage your debt wisely. Assess your current debt obligations and develop a strategic plan to manage them effectively. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts while maintaining timely payments on all accounts. Your credit report provides valuable insights into your outstanding balances, payment history, credit utilization ratio, and this empowers you to make informed decisions to reduce your debt and boost your credit worthiness. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.